different formation shapes and maneuvers tried in our smoke generation. Some fantastic machines here. Victoria joined the Air Force in 2001 and completed the aviation technology. So the team competitive, we're going to see a rule outside. Get a bit of a hint as to who the new pilots were. Keeping up international relations. Coming through, they're about to conduct a medical and Private Lieutenant Ben Hepworth, who was Roulette 6 today. It is his final show with the Roulettes for this season, and he wants to dedicate this to his wife Hayley, son George, and daughter Chloe. Ladies and gentlemen, the Heart. And we'd also like to dedicate it. Jonathan would love to wish his beautiful with the corkscrew. Bringing the ladder. So we know there's no James Dustin was Roulette 2, now retired. He from Warnervale in Adelaide and joined in 2007. Upon graduating pilot's course 215 in 2009, he began his fast jet career flying FA-18F Super Hornets with No. 1 Squadron based out of Rackways, Amberley. Now, of course, he is a pilot instructor at the Central University. So Roulette 4 is centred at the back. Flight Lieutenant James Hayter from Lismore, New South Wales, also finishing up his role in the these shows for people, and they really thoroughly enjoyed being here yesterday and signed some autographs. In fact, there are some signed posters still around that you can collect here today. Right, ladies and gentlemen, they're about to go into the roll and then finish up with the cascade. Look how close they are up there. This is hours and hours and years of practice. And a lot of time. Beautiful. They are helping to raise funds for the Coast Shelter. Take part in their Smile for Good Cause. You don't have to spend that. I've got vision of you. $5,000 today. Radially around the crankcase, like the little spas you have on your umbrella. And 670 is the number of
was then an obsolete fighter aircraft, but it was the only thing they had.
Actually operated the forward air control.
I would say you put in a cheap crash when they make it less expensive.
It's not just the aeroplane, look what's under it. Now look at this, this is barnstorming at its best. Can he do it? Can he get the thing down? Oh, he's going to go a little bit further. Yes, as you can see, it's still going. The rubber band has been wound up. Hypercub's not scintillating performance, but a very low takeoff speed. And you'll see him launch off there very, very soon. And at the end of it, there are only 12 Avengers on screen. The rest returned to the US Navy and 9 to the British Pacific Fleet. The National Guard unit also operate these units. A single engine carries